Assalamualaikum viewers, how are all guys? I wish you all are in good health by the blessed Almighty Allah. Welcome back to my channel Iron Art Academy, and my name is Iron Alam Farhan. So today I am going to show you guys how to draw a Noksha design very simply. It is, you can say, artistic pattern, something like that. And I draw this Noksha with just a pencil. And if you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the get all new notification from my channel. And if you like my video, give the thumbs up, and if you don't like my video, you can give the dislike button. And you can also comment in my video how was my video and what I need to improve in my video. So let's go and watch the video.